feeling the problem. Qatar is covered by desert, but surrounded by water, so it uses desalination of seawater, which is expensive. Thus, the group thought of ways to get clean water while saving money by just adding chemicals together and using aluminum foil. The researchers found out that aluminum sulfate can act as a water purifier and successfully conducted an experiment which proved that alum is an effective water purifier. It may take longer, but money-wise, it is cheaper.
Research. This study is significant to the following people. A. Students of PSD who will know more about substances that can be useful in water purification. B. The community who can collect used foil to donate to the researchers. In this way, they can help the environment by lessening the garbage disposal. And C. The citizens of Qatar who will have an alternative source of clean water through the study. They can help the country economically while saving. This of the research. This research aimed to know the feasibility of using aluminum sulfate as an alternative water purifier. Specifically, it aimed to answer the following question. How safe is it to use aluminum sulfate as water purifier by testing its A. pH level and B. Usability as a precipitant of dirty water. Hypothesis. Alum can be an effective alternative as water purifier, for it will act as coagulant by attracting small particles of dust to form a big one that will settle at the bottom of the container.
Research, the following materials are needed: a 250 ml flask, aluminum foil, sulfuric acid, sample of muddy water, sample of canal water, sample of mop water, 6 beakers, a cloth, a spoon, and a two-way tester kit for pH.
Testing the product, pH test. The ideal pH level is 7.6. To find the pH level, fill the tester until the line with alum and add 6 drops of phenol red. Then shake. Check the corresponding color of the water, and if it is 7.5 and below, it is acidic, which is not safe. After that, record the results.
To test if it is usable, the group collected 200 ml of water with sand, canal water, and mop water in 3 separate containers. The researchers brushed off any floating material with hands. Using a cloth, the group filtered the water into another container. Second, the researchers added 5 drops of alum and stirred. Then the group let it sit for 48 hours so that the sediments will settle down. Next, the researchers decanted the water into another container, then filtered
Conclusion.
it once more.
The researchers further conclude that it is safe and effective to use aluminum sulfate in water purification. It is because the product has the ideal pH level of 7.6, which is neither too basic nor too acidic. Also, it accumulated all the sediments below the container, which proves that it is usable as a precipitant of dirty water.